Hi, welcome to session number 3, DevOps, unit number 6. In the last session, we discussed about why we need DevOps and then traditional IT and DevOps, goals of DevOps, who is the DevOps engineer. In the last session, we discussed about these things, right? Why DevOps? Why? What are the advantages of DevOps? What are the uses of DevOps? Right? And also the main advantages of DevOps compared to traditional IT system. This DevOps will going to speed up the application process, the application development process, and also the risk assessment is very low. The risk is very low in case of DevOps if you compare traditional IT system. Why? Because you have continuous development stage, continuous delivery stage, continuous monitoring system is there, right? Continuous deployment is there, right? That's why we are not going to get much more errors if you are using the DevOps concept. And also we learned so many goals of DevOps, right? And who is a DevOps engineer, right? DevOps engineer is one. He is mainly communicate with the developer, testers, and other staff, right? These are all the things I covered in the session number 2. Now in this session number 3 includes what are the benefits of DevOps, introduction to Agile, then relationship between Agile and DevOps, right? This session I'll going to explain these things. Now we'll come to know the benefits of DevOps. What are the main benefits of DevOps? Right? This DevOps is providing three different categories of benefits. The first one is technical benefits, another one is cultural benefits, then business benefits. Right? Now the benefits of DevOps contains three fields, that is technical benefits, cultural benefits, and business benefits. Now we will come to know one by one. Now, what are the technical benefits this DevOps is having? Right? Technical benefits are continuous software delivery. Right? Continuous integration is there, continuous deployment is there, continuous monitoring system is there. Right? The way we have continuous software delivery. Continuous software delivery is present in the DevOps concept. Then less complexity to manage. Less complexity to manage. Maintenance is very low in case of DevOps. Right? Maintenance in the sense either it may be a software maintenance or hardware maintenance. Easily we can scale up or scale down the requirements of the particular application. Right? Easily we can manage it, right? Because there is no rates are very less in DevOps. That's why we can manage it very easily. Less complexity to manage the applications if we use the DevOps concept. Then faster resolution of problem, right? Faster resolution of problem in the sense easily within a short period of time we are going to finish. We are going to implement that problems. We are going to solve that problems if you use the DevOps concept. Here communication between all the employees is possible, right? That's why easily they can solve the problem within short period of time. Next one is benefits of DevOps continue, that is cultural benefits, right? In the last session, the last slide, we came to know technical benefits. In this session, we'll come to know cultural benefits. What are the cultural benefits of DevOps are there, right? It's more happier, more productive teams, right? In the DevOps teams, the employees working with DevOps is more happier compared to other traditional IT system and more productive teams, right? Without wasting the time, they will do the work, right? Higher employee engagement, right? There is no employee sitting in idle. All the employees are engaged with some other works. There is no bench work, right? In if you use the concept of DevOps, all the employees is having some work. All the employees are engaged. Okay. Next, greater professional development opportunity, right? If you have the company is using DevOps in the sense, the employees are going to get greater opportunities, right? Knowledge growth, and whatever it may be, right? Greater professional development opportunities is possible in DevOps. Now, business benefits. Now we'll come to know what are the business benefits of DevOps are there. Now, the first one is faster delivery of features, right? More stable operating environment. These are all the business benefits. Improved communication and collaboration. More time to innovate rather than fix or maintain, right? Here if you use the DevOps concept, they are innovative in nature. They are doing research to get the high performance application, and also to improve the efficiency of the particular applications, right? These uh, these DevOps are more stable operating environments are available if you use the concept of DevOps, and faster delivery of features are there, improved communication and collaboration, right? Once again, we'll come to know the benefits. Technical benefits are continuous software delivery, less complexity to manage, faster resolution of problem. These are all the technical benefits. Then cultural benefits are happier, more productive teams, higher employee engagement, greater professional development, opportunities. Now business benefits. Faster delivery of features, more stable operating environments, improved communication and collaboration, more time to innovate. These are all the benefits, right? In a diagram, I have put it some points, right? This DevOps benefits of DevOps also include reliability, reduce time to recover, right? You can recover the corrupted data very easily within short period of time. We're going to recover, we'll get back the same data, and also the efficiency is very much possible in DevOps. Then lower risk, the errors are very less if you use the concept of DevOps. Then shorter development cycle, right? Shorter development cycle. Then stability, right? Faster updates, better user experience, fewer failures, higher quality, faster product delivery, cost saving, right? These are all some of the benefits, other benefits which I have listed out here, right? You can go through this. Now we'll come to know the agile process. What is this agile called? Agile is the ability to create and respond to change, right? It is one of the methodology, right? Used to create and respond to change in the sense continuously, the in the application continuously they want to change the input and output. In that cases they need to go for agile. Continuously they want to modify the code, in the sense continuously they want to change the updations or modifications in the applications or software. Then that cases they are going for this agile concept, right? Agile software development is more than framework such as Scrum, extreme programming, or future driven development. It is called FDD, right? Agile software development is more than a framework such as Scrum, extreme programming, or FDD, right? Then agile software development is more than practices such as pair programming, test driven development, stand ups, planning sessions, and sprints, right? So, in this agile, if you have some more modifications, they are going for this framework, right? One of the this or drawback of this agile is there is no monitoring system is our present in the agile. There is no monitoring system. Once you deploy it, then finished, right? There is no monitoring system is present in the agile. Now we'll see the diagram. First, we have the requirements. They will collect the requirements from the clients or users, right? Then according to the requirements, they will design it. After designing, they will develop it, create it, or code it. After coding, they test it using varieties of testing types and tools. After testing it, directly they will deploy the particular application at the client end, right? This is the 5 stages this agile is involved. First one is requirement, design, develop, test, and deploy. right? This agile is also called as iterative model. This agile is it is a iterative development model anta kariತೀವಿ, right? Easily we can change or modify the applications, right? At any point of time, the users want some extra requirements, in the sense easily they can tell to the designers or developers, easily they can modify the code and then they will deploy it, and then they will release the new version of the particular software, right? There are only 5 stages are there: requirement, design, develop, test, and deploy, right? This agile is having some of the principles of agile are there, right? I'll tell some of the principle. Highest priority is to satisfy the customers. The first principle of agile is to satisfy the customer. They will promptly they will going to work with the customer needs. Highest priority is to satisfy the customer needs. Then changing requirements should be welcomed, right? This agile, it's changing requirements or modifications, anything it may be welcomed. Then delivery of working product should be frequent. Delivery of working product should be frequent, right? Frequently they will send the new versions, right? Business people and developers must work together daily throughout the project, right? Business people and developers will going to work together, right? Until and unless the project is gets finished, right? These are all some of the concepts that are involved in agile. Now we'll come to know the relationship between agile and DevOps, right? What are the features are in agile? What are the concepts they are going to use in DevOps? Will come to know, right? A methodology, right? Agile is a methodology. DevOps is developing culture, right? Agile na a methodology anta kariತೀವಿ, DevOps na developing culture anta ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Agile is effective with a smaller team, right? It's more effective with a smaller team, right? In DevOps can be effective with large number of small teams, right? Large number of small team. They will going to divide that particular teams into small chunk, right? Small teams, right? Then communication is very important. In agile, communication is very important. Communication in the sense, each and every time the users wants some want to change the requirements. That's why communication is very important in agile. Communication is not that important in DevOps, right? Processes are not automated, right? Here in agile, processes are not automated, right? DevOps, these processes are automated. In DevOps, processes are automated. A lot of development, deployment, testing, monitoring processes are automated, right? Here in agile, documentation is not prioritized. Documentation is not much more priority, right? In DevOps, documentation takes high priority. Next one is agile. This code pipelines are not as streamlined. Code pipelines are not as streamlined. Here, code pipelines are much more streamlined. Next, the last one, the agile tools are used: Jira, Bookzilla, Kanban, right? These are all some of the tools this agile is used. In agile, they are used. Some of the other tools are also available, right? In DevOps they are using so many tools, right? Git, Jenkins, Puppet, Vagrant, Nagios, right? Kubernetes, right? These are all some of the tools this DevOps in DevOps they are going to use. Now we'll come to the MCQs questions. Right, the first question: which one is not a benefit of DevOps? Right? Which one is not a benefit of DevOps? Which one is not the benefit? First one is, I told you, the efficiency, cost savings, higher risk, faster updates. Which one is not the benefit of DevOps? Higher risk, right? The DevOps is having lower risk, right? Now we're going to see the second question. Agile is a Agile is a first option methodology, B programming language, C scripting language, 4 database language. Agile is a Agile is a what? Agile is a methodology. Agile is a methodology, right? Agile is not a methodology, it is a methodology. It's not a programming language, it is not a scripting language, it is not a database language, right? In agile process, third question, in agile processes, in agile processes not automated, semi-automated, automated and I automated, right? Which one is the correct answer? In agile process, first one not automated, B semi-automated, automated and I automated. The answer is not automated. In agile process, it's not automated. Fourth one, in agile, monitoring system is present or not. The fourth one, in agile, monitoring is present or not. Option A, present. Option B, not present. In agile, monitoring system is not present, right? Next, fifth question, in agile, communication is necessary. In agile, communication is necessary. A, yes. B, no. In agile, communication is necessary. Yes. The answer is yes. Next, sixth question, in DevOps, faster delivery of software is possible or not? In DevOps, faster delivery of software is possible or not? Option A, possible. Option B, not possible. In DevOps, faster delivery of software is possible, right? See, these are all the references I've used uh, to give this session. Next, I would like to thank our computer science chairman Usha madam and moderator MB Tulsi madam, subject expert are Parmeshwarappa sir, Sunanda Devi madam, Praveen Kumar K, and all the developers which we are involved in software engineering subject. Right? Thank you one and all.